Yes, I think recording has been started. Thank you. Let me remove from here and we will start installation again so that you will know that which option has to be choose. Yes. This. To install this PyCharm, it is very easy. You just have to double click and go for the next as usual installation of the software. So there are no much options for PyCharm. So that is easy. But for Python interpreter, you should choose the correct option. So you have to right click here, run as administrator, Python 3.10.2, AMD 64. Okay. It will have the two options. The first option is it will install on the default location. And second option is a customized installation. So always choose customized installation. And one option is here, add Python 3.10 to path. So click for that also. Say customize installation. Okay, all options has been selected. So click on the next. And here the first option is install for all users. Click on that. Once you click on that, this path will be changed. Python C program files Python 3.10. So this is the correct path. Okay, no need to have the debugging symbols. Install. So what you have to do? You have to go for the customized installation and then you should install it for all the users. These two main options are important. It will take 2-3 minutes maximum to install. If requires, if it requires anything, it will download automatically. So you don't have to worry about it. So, okay, someone is in the lobby. Okay. It should, okay, it should do automatically. Okay, it is done now. Now for the pie chart, the second link I have sent you it is a PyCharm community 2021 3.2. So once you double click on it or right click and run as administrator. Whenever you are installing any software, always remember that once you will say the run as administrator, it gets many permissions, so you don't have to worry about it. Current version of SE already installed, you continue. Okay. No, I have already installed. So it is similar to the simple software installation. So I hope everyone knows how to install the software. So once you install this PyCharm, you have to click on, you can type in your command prompt PyCharm or PyCharm app is installed. So you have to open this. It will have this kind of icon or startup banner. So what we will do, I will close all of this and we will start, or I will tell you how to start. Whether there is a close. Okay. Okay. One more thing. Once you install this PyCharm and you have installed the Python, you can click on this setting button. Okay, it is downloading something in the background. You don't have to worry about it. We will go for the introduction, then we will come here whenever we require. So let us go here about the Python. Python is a general purpose, dynamic, high level language. High level means it is very easy to understand to us, and uh, high level languages, it is very easy to or user friendly. You can easily learn the code, you can easily write the programs for it. It is high level, and it was created by the Guido van Rossum during 1985 to 1990, or it is actually started in 1980s actually, but in 1985 it has been accepted by many of the people, and actually it has been started by some scientist to do the calculations or computations, and after that it is got famous because it is a general purpose and easy to understand. So now, since it is a very versatile scripting language, scripting means it is like a HTML scripting, or it is a whenever you are writing the program, uh, it it easily gives you the keywords which are understandable by the users uh, uh, to write. So anyone can, or someone can easily learn what other user has been written in the computer or in the file or in the as a program. So therefore it is a easy to learn, and its syntax is a dynamic. If people knows the how C programming works, so in the C programming, it is very difficult, or whenever you want to assign the value for some variable, you should set the type for it properly. Like if you want to store a number for a computer, I know that it will be very quite hard to understand for the MSc people, because I think IMCA people has done the C programming, but for MSc people, if they are sitting for the first time for the programming lecture, they are they don't know some of the keywords, but you will become familiar whenever we will use it again and again. So it is a it has a multiple programming patterns, including object oriented also, procedural also, functional also, imperative also. So uh, you will understand what is a object oriented, but right now you can say it is a procedural. Procedural means it will it will execute the statements one by one. Therefore, it is a procedural. So mm, uh, mm, it is like a procedure. Whenever you are writing some of the statements one by one, 1 to 100 statements, and it starts executing from the start, first line, then second line, and third line. So this is called as a procedural language. So, and it is not intended to work on especially for the web, but you can use this programming for the creation of a web applications or on the browser, or for example you are using admission systems and uh, filling the marks and getting the result, so online services also, but it is not intended to work, but you can use it for that. So one important part of this Python is used for the 3D CAD. 3D CAD is one of the interest of our IMC and MSc students. you can do three-dimensional softwares. You can work in the three-dimensional softwares, and many of the companies are using the Python for creation of or such softwares, creation of such three-dimensional CAD softwares. So, as time permits, we will take one of the program for on it also. But you can understand it has been used there for the 3D CAD. So someone can go on the Google and type the 3D CAD CAD. They can understand the which kind of softwares are there. So third thing is it is a dynamically typed. Uh, it is dynamically typed. Dynamically typed means you don't need to specify the type in the C programming. Whenever you want to assign the number, it what you have to do, you have to give the for example, if you want to assign the number 5 for the calculation, you have to give the int type for the variable int a equal to 5. But in the Python, no need to give the int. You can directly assign the a equal to 5, a will become integer automatically. So such kind of dynamically typed things are there. And also, mm, Python makes development and debugging fast because there is no compilation step. Directly you can run the script. So that is the thing. So let's okay. So I have already shared the links to install this. Okay. So second thing is who can learn this? Okay, no need to have uh, the person who have basic knowledge of C programming also run, but the person who don't know anything, any knowledge of programming, they can start learning from the Python because it is a basic. It starts with the basic. So some people say that you should already know the some of the programming, but no need to have this. You can directly learn this. But if you know already some of the programming, it is a plus point. So this already we have seen that object oriented and beginners language, it is a interpreted. So this kind of keywords you will understand after some days. So how we can start for the Python, or how to know that our environment is set properly, or how to write a simple program. uh, I will not focus on much theory. You can learn the theory on the tutorial or on the web links or in the book. I will focus on the practicals. I will focus on the writing the programs so that you can easily understand the Python. Until and unless you do the practice, you could not understand the programming. Remember this thing. Like in a mathematics, as you all did much mathematics. So whenever you are solving the examples, until and unless you solve the examples, you could not understand theorem properly. For example, there is a Pythagoras theorem. Once you learn that Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square equal to c square, but once you learn the theorem, you will not understand fully. Once you do the practical things, like you will have the height of a triangle and breadth of the triangle, and you will finding the hypotenuse, then you will understand that a square plus b square equal to c square. So more deeply you can understand, then and then only you can practice it. Second thing is, for this Python programming or any programming language, until you do the practice, you could not understand any of the programming language. The learning the theory of a programming language is useless. Remember this thing. So let me check whether there is in the anyone is in the lobby. Yes. I don't know why it is coming again and again. It should join automatically. Okay. So okay, it is the step to write the program in the Python on the notepad, but we are using the PyCharm, so we will not follow this. What we will do, we will go for the PyCharm directly. So what I will do, I will close this, or what I will start. So whenever you will have the PyCharm installed in the, let me exit and we will see. Type here PyCharm, you will see this icon, PyCharm Community Edition, because you have installed this second link. So run this as an administrator. This will come. It is loading the project automatically. Uh, On my computer, project is already loaded, therefore, but what I will do, I will go for the new project. So type there file new project. So it will start creating the project. So its location is on E drive. You can create location anywhere on your computer, but don't use the C drive. You should use a D drive, E drive, and any other drives other than C drive. So create a project location on a rather than C drive. You should not use a C drive here. And second thing is, you should set the Python interpreter, base interpreter. New environment using the virtual environment, and base interpreter is here. It is very uh, 1 second. Sorry, it was interrupted. Okay, file new project, and once you click on the new project, this base interpreter should be set. So which path it is? It is a path which we have installed 3.10 on the second link. We are downloading the Python 3.10. So that path we should give. So exe path is there. C Python. If on your computer, if path is not there automatically, what you can do? You can click on these three dots, and you will have the option to set that path. So go to C program files, because we have installed there. C program files. There is a folder uh, Python 310, and there is a Python exe. So you should click on this exe and click on OK. So that is important, and click on the create. So it will create the new window. Okay. So whenever you uh, start this, it will create such kind of environment. So it creates a main file also automatically, but we don't require this. Here it has created the main file. So second thing, what you can do, whenever you want to write a program, say simple, we will write one simple statement and we will start execute this, and we will understand whether it is we have added the correctly or not. So what you can do, right click on this Python project folder and say new file. Instead of new file, say new Python file, new Python file, and give some name. For example, I will give the hello and say enter. One second. Okay. So what you can do now, uh, you will have the one file. So some of the observations are important. You will have the hello.py. Its extension is a py. So .py is added automatically. So whenever you will have the Python file, it is a hello.py, and here in this combo box, it gives which file you want to execute first. That is the thing. So let me, what you can do, let me, that path. Yes. What you have to do, run hello. So what we will do, we will write and right click here, run hello. You can see its output is hello programmers here. So there is one window. It will have the, it will give the, so it is running this file exe hello.py. So what you have to do, right click on this file and say run hello. Once you click on the run, it will run the file. If there is an error, say for example, it it will not understand here. It gives a red mark here also. But still if you right click here and run, it will give error here also. It says P-write is not a defined. Did you mean print? So it is giving the suggestion also, but yes. So this is our first program. You can learn this. So we will observe two many things here. The first thing is, what is this print? Print gives an output on a screen. Print gives on, and there is a shortcut also. Whenever there is a hello, you can click here also to run. So print gives a output. What output it gives? It gives this output. Whatever the inside in the double quote, it gives an output as a print. So we can say in the programming language, it prints hello programmers. Whatever the string you will add here, it will be printed here. You can see. So this print function gives output. So what we will do, we will write one program, not for the only the uh, not only for the hello world, but uh, um, uh, for addition of two numbers, and we will see what are the things there. So what you can do in the Python, no need to specify whether the number type, because it is a dynamic type. So you can directly say a equal to 3, b equal to 5, and c equal to a plus b, and print c. Let us see what happens. It is giving output as 8. So a, b, c equal to a plus b, a equal to 3, b equal to 5. So 5 plus 3. It executes this 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So c equal to 8. So it assigns the value. It does addition of a and b, 3 plus 5, whatever the 8 value. 8 has been assigned to c, and it prints, and print function gives an output. So first thing people can understand, that it is not giving the output as a 3 or 5 here also, because whenever you write something in the print, then and then only it goes for the output. Remember one thing, it will show in the output whatever you will add into the print, then and then only. No other things it will give. Second thing is, what is this a? A will be the integer automatically. B will be the integer automatically. C will be the integer automatically, because you are adding the A and B into C, and print T. What is this print? Print is a function which gives an output. C is a, and we are passing parameter C. So whenever there is a function, we will see. So second thing is, whether I can write here, if I write here instead of A, if I write A2, A1 plus A2, I will run this. Then also it gives 8, and it accepts that. So for the variables, you can give A1, A2 also. Remember this thing. Okay, this is important. We will see what are the, why we are able to give. Whether I can give 2A here, and if I run, then it gives error 2A. So there are the rules which names we should give and which names we should not give. So it is called as identifiers. So we will see what are those. Python identifier. So whenever we are giving the variable names or function names, there are some of the things you should follow up. Python identifier is a name used to identity a variable or whatever the value you want to take for the calculation. For that, you have to take a variable. It is called as variable and it is an identity variable and or function or class or module. Class or module or function we will see later on, but right now you will have the focus on a variable. So it is a variable. Which kind of name you can use? It should start with the letter A to Z. Capital you can start with letter capital A or capital A to Z, any number, or small a to Z. You can use capital also or small also. For example, you can use here A also. It is valid. This is valid. Not only A, after that you can write, you can use a combination of capital and small also. But you should start with capital A, capital letter or small letter, not only A. Capital letter or small letter. You can start with capital letter or small letter. You can use or you can start with the underscore also. Underscore. Underscore is also starting underscore score is also valid identifier. You can use underscore r equal to 50. It is also valid. It will not give an error. Underscore r equal to 15. So you can start with underscore also by 0 or more letters. You can use the letters there. You should not use a special characters like at, dollar, percent. Why we could not use this? It has a special meaning in the programming languages or in the Python. Whenever I am see the programming language, we will say it is a Python. In the Python or in any programming languages, this letters at percentage has a special meaning. So you should not use this in the identifiers. So second thing is it is a case sensitive. How it is case sensitive? For example, if I write a equal to 3 here, you should not use a here. If you have declared capital A, you should use a capital A here. If I write a small a, it gives an error. So it is a strongly typed or it is a case sensitive. So that is important thing. So it is about the identifier. So therefore manpower and manpower are the two different identifiers because M is capital and small m. Here is a small m and it is a capital M. So these are the different identifiers. So uh, it is a case sensitive. Reserved words. You should not use these words for declaring a variable. Okay. Or to define the variable or as an identifier. What are those words? And you could not use. Not. In the general programming language, what you can do? For example, you are using the Marathi. So ani is a word. Ani, hoy, ahe. You should not give these words to someone's name, right? For example, for the giving the names, we are using uh, the Anil, Rahul, Sachin. These are the words we are using. We, is there anybody whose name is Ahe? No, because Ahe has some special meaning. Therefore, we are not using them. So, for setting the name for someone, there is a special rule. So, for that, it has a therefore some of the things or punctuation words we could not use. So similarly in the Python, there are some reserved words you could not use. So Python is also a programming language. It is also a language. So there are some of the words which has a special meaning. So they could not use in the identifier. So and assert this list of words you should not use for identifier. Continue you can use, you could not use. And whenever we are practicing these programming languages or programs we are writing, we will go forward these lectures. You will understand that these 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 words we are using. So you will automatically understand that I should not use this. Second thing is uh, comments. What is comments? So whenever I am writing any program, say this program I have written, if I want to write something here and I don't want to execute here. So for example, I want to write this is addition program. It is doing the addition, right? Addition of two numbers. So if this is addition program, I want to write this also here, so that when someone opens the file, he should understand that this program is for addition of two numbers. But if I write this line here and if I run this program, it gives an error because this computer or this Python interpreter don't understand what is this. But for that, what you can do, you can write here hash. What this does? Hash says it is a comment. Computer will not take this line. Computer will not take this line. It will not compile this. It will not interpret this. It will start executing from here. Even though such lines or such comments, it is called as comment. It is called as comment. You can write comment anywhere. Many times, what you can do, you can write here comment to understand the program. First number using the hash. After the hash, it will not take. After the hash, here I am writing the comment here. Second number. Not necessary you should write a comment to all the lines, but I have written here some comments. You have to write the hashtag here, first number, second number, and addition operation. So if you have written some program and if you come again here, you will easily understand. So important thing about the comment is you can write something in the program which will not be executed, and it will help to user or programmer to understand the program. So it increases the readability. So there are the many benefits of the comment. You can learn this. One more type, if someone wants to write 3 lines or many lines, so what you can do, they can put 3 double quotes and 3 double quotes, and they can write here, it is called as multi comment. Still it will not give an error. Once I run this, here is icon, you can learn this. But for this, you have to go here, run hello, then hello name is coming here, then and then only you can run here. So this is a multi comment. So writing the multiple comments in the multiple lines, you don't have to use a hash here. Multi lines, it is called as multi comment. So this is a comments. Okay, one more thing. Yes, we will see some of the syntax like if else. Let us modify this program. A equal to 5. Yes, important thing, like a C programming. In the C programming, for each and every statement there is a colon, but in the Python, no need to write the semicolon here. Remember this thing. Semicolon is not allowed in the Python. This is a commonly made mistake. C equal to A plus B, print. You can write or type the multiple things commonly. For example, I can write here properly addition of string, you can put addition of A and B is C. What it gives? Addition of 5 and 8 is 13. Whenever I write 10 here, it gives addition of 10 and 8 is 18. What I have done? I have written one line only. I have written addition of A variable I have given by comma, again comma and. So whatever in the double quote, it will be printed as it is. Addition of and is colon, it prints as it is. Only thing is, whenever I am writing the variable, its value will be taken here. Some commonly made mistake is what people are doing, addition of here, addition of A and B is is yes. What it gives, this line will not understand the A, B and C because all are in the double quote. Whatever you will write, because it will consider one string as it is. So addition of A and B is C. But this is wrong. We need this kind of output. So therefore print addition of comma variable comma and I want to put as it is. So comma B is C. So suppose I want to write, so this will not be allowed. So I can write here, this is not proper statement to print values. This is not proper statement to print values. Okay. I am going little bit slow because this is our first lecture. So whenever you think that it is going too much slow, then let me know. If it is going too much fast, then also let me know. Because if I will go much slow, you will got boring for this lecture. If I will go fastly, then you will not understand anything. That is also useless. So not right now, but after the lecture you can share that whether I am going fast or slow. But for the first lecture or first 2 3 lectures, I will go little bit slow so that you can understand the things. Second thing is, suppose I want to write the yes.
Sir, Ganesh is waiting in the lobby. Can you accept him?
Okay, sorry, thank you. They are going lobbying. Whenever you have joined the meeting,
You have joined.
don't go. Someone, please mute yourself. Someone made uh, the speaker on. So whenever you join the meeting, there is some option. Uh, okay, let me download attendance list. Okay. Meeting option. There is some meeting option. Always let callers bypass the lobby. Then why they are prompting me? I think. should not, it should not ask me. There is some setting. I will see
Sir, if
later.
possible, create one group on MS Teams.
Okay, okay. I will create the group. Actually, what happens whenever there is a group, you can add the people from our. Okay, I need to take the. I need to take the identity, create the account from the organization. Then and then only we can create the group. So let us see. Uh, for the next lecture, I will solve that problem. Don't worry. Let
Okay,
it
sir.
be. Yes. Okay. Second thing is, as you can understand, a equal to 10, b equal to 8, and c equal to a plus b. Similarly, if you want to do the multiplication, then you can use a star operator. Star means a into b, it will multiply the value. Only thing is, it is giving addition of 10 and 8 is 18, which is wrong. It will not change change uh, this word automatically, because we have set this in the double quote. So you can write here multiplication. So such kind of changes you have to do. So multiplication of a and b is 18. So this is the proper way. So second thing is, so right now you can do addition, subtraction, divide. Okay, let us see divide. What I will do. Okay. Okay. A c equal to a upon b. What it gives? 10 upon 8 is 1.25. Uh, this is a divide operator. A upon b. If I write this a upon b two times, what we can do? What it gives? It gives 1 only. So it is given the integral part only. It divides a by b, and instead of 1.25 it gives only integer part. If we write two times, remember this thing. This is important. This is a modulus operator. A percent b is a modulus operator. Remember this. Everyone knows what is modulus. 10 mod 8 is remainder after dividing to 10 by 8. So it is a 2. So this we are writing the using it in the mathematics. Everyone is using this. So modulus. So this is all about the first program in addition or multiplication or using the operators. We will see. So we will see what are the more operators here, and some of the operators we will use here. This if else we will see later on. So second thing is variable types. Variable types means I am writing here in our program a equal to 10, right? So because of a equal to 10, this a will become integer automatically. Integer means it has a capacity to setting the value of integer. So now if we have m equal to or m equal to 10.10. Now c will have the value, m
So,
will have the value. Yes,
so I have a query.
yes,
This one is a modulus operator. Is this same as percent sign in C?
not percent sign. Y- Yes, yes, percent sign in a c. So it is a
But
modulus.
sir, 8 totally does not divide 10. In modulus operator in C,
Or
it will show something
in
else.
this in the C programming also it will give the remainder 2 after dividing uh, uh, remainder after dividing by 8 to the 10. It gives 2. In the C also it will give same. If it is not giving some, there is something problem in the program.
Oh no, sir, I understood now.
Yeah. Okay.
Not this
So
modulus, that the previous one you said, modulus operator, two division signs.
yes, Okay, 2 division sign is not a modulus sign. It is a dividing. It divides 10 by 8 and it gives the integer part of that only. If I write here a upon b, what it gives, its value is 1.25. But if I write here 2 times, then it will give integer part only. It ignores floating number.
Okay, sir.
Remember this. Yes. So it is not a modulus. It is a divide, but it is a integral operator is right there. In mathematics, we are saying that it is an integral part. But here you can say that it is a integer. Yes. If there is a minus, then minus sign. For example, it is gives minus, and if I write this, so you can say it gives a -2. It give the previous number, right? Because if there is a 1.25, it gives the previous number. So a divided by -10 upon 8, what is gives -1.2 or something. So it is a less integral part. Means what? It is a -2. So remember this thing. This divide. -1.25. So what if that will be the integral part of that -1 point? So previous integer you can say. So this is for this. So we will see what are those more operators are there. Okay, we will see the variable types. So variable types are there. These are all the integers. So if you want to give the floating number, so 1.23. So it gives a, what I will do, I will write here print a m. You can print multiple things using the comma operator. Comma you can use. What I can do, I will put hashtag here, comment here, so that, see, I have added the hash here or comment here, so it will not give the output of this because it will not be executed. So a comma m. So what it gives, -10 because this, and 1.34 because of this. It becomes a floating number. So if you want to assign the value, or if you want to take the string as a name, you can take name like this, Ganesh, comma name. So whenever you take the values or you take the identifier, always take meaningful. For example, instead of this a and b and m, what you can give, this is the wrong way. Means it is not compulsory to do like this, but it is the wrong way. What you can do, you give the a equal to, instead of this a, you can give first number. First number equal to 10. This is a meaningful. Second number equal to 20. And see, whenever I want to write two words together, don't use a space. If I write space here, it will give an error. Remember this. It will give an error. First number plus first number plus second number. Oh, it gives an error here. See, instead of this, you should give the addition. Addition equal to first number plus second number. So give the variable name meaningful, so that user can understand, or if you share this program to someone else, he will easily understand that this is a first number, this is second number he has taken. It has given result, and you can write here result. So it is called as convention. Convention means regular practice to write the program. So it is called as convention. Result equal to, so result is what, 30, and comma name is what, Ganesh, 30 Ganesh. So it has printed this. So this is a string. So what are the other data types are also there? Integer is also there. Binary data type is also there. So we will see, or we will use them again and again. So it is a string. It is a floating number. It is integer. So what are the standard data types? There are the different data types: number, string, list, tuple, dictionary. So in the Python, or in the Python, or in the C programming, these are list, tuple, and dictionary is not there. But in the Python, you can have the list, tuple, and dictionary. So these are important. And Python supports 4 different numeral types. Numeral means for the number, to set the numbers. Integer. Integer is a number or whole number you can assign with. Everyone knows what is the integer. Long. Long is a long integer. Long integer means big integer. They can also represented in octal and hexadecimal also. This is an exercise for you, how to assign the long integer in a octal or hexadecimal. How to assign number by octal and hexadecimal. We have used here. It is a decimal number we are assigning, right? So exercise is what? How to assign the octal or hexadecimals. Float number. Float means it has a floating point, 2.3, 4.5. So it is a like a real number. Real number also. You could not assign the uh, 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 you could not assign the number like under root 2. Irrational numbers you can could not assign. You can assign them using like this: square root of 2, sqrt of 2. You can use a function, but you could not assign 2.333333 and so on, right? So complex number in the Python, you can use a complex number directly. So how to assign the complex number? Here, conf number. Remember this thing, I am not giving any space in the variable. 2 plus 3j. You can use a j for the imaginary part. So I am typing here comp number. So let us see. You can see 2 plus 3j, it is giving in the bracket automatically. So if I write here 3j only, you can see 3j imaginary. So 2 plus 3j. Complex number you can take. Comp number. Conf number 2 equal to 3 plus 2j. Comp number 3. Complex number 3. Comp here, let me give 1. 1 plus 2. I am setting the addition of this number into the 3, and I will print here 3. 5 plus 5j. It calculates the addition of two complex number and setting the value here. So 5 plus 5j. Because of this, it is calculating the addition. Remember this thing, right? So whenever you want to take a complex number, you can directly take the complex number, but you have to set j for the imaginary part. So if you want to print only the real part or only imaginary part, what you can do? Let me take one more line here. dot image. If I print here, it prints 5.0. What is 5.0? Imaginary part of this complex number 3. What is the com3? 5 plus 5j. What is the imaginary part? 5.0 is a imaginary part. Remember this thing, right? So complex number is also variable you can take. Okay, string. String in Python are identified as a continuous or contiguous set of characters represented in the quotation mark. So in the Python, you can set the string. String means it is like a sentence or some number, sentence or one word, you can say. So you can set it by in the double quote. We have taken the sentence or we have taken this Ganesh as a string. This data type is important because whenever we want to give some meaningful output, we require this. For example, to print this multiplication of A and B is, so we require this string also, this string also, this string also. So string is very important data type. So double quote. Subset of string can be taken using the slice operator. Slice operator with the index by 0 to from the index 0. Okay. So what we will do? We will use a slice operator. Okay, list we will see. Suppose Ganesh is instead of Ganesh, we will take one variable to write the slice operator. I am commenting this so that I will. This program will give the addition whatever I require. So I will give the print, and inside this print, what I will do, I will take this name, and in I will put name of 2, and I will run. What it gives? N. Why it is giving N? 0, 1, 2. The first number is a 0th index, first index, and third number is a 2 index. So name of 2 means or 2 of name or second 0, 1, 2. So 2 index variable is what? Only n. Therefore, whenever I am writing the print name of 2, it gives a n here. If this is a mathematics, and if I write the set 3, it gives h. H means what? Fourth number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth number. 0, 1, 2, and 3. 3 index. You can learn this or you can say this as a number 3. So name 3. Slice operator. Slice operator, what it does? For example, if I write 2 colon 4, let us see what it gives. It starts with the 2, second index 0, 1, 2. So T 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. And it ends with the fourth. So first 2 character it has deleted, and after the fourth it has been deleted. If I write it as a 5, THE, it has printed this. So this is called as a slice operator. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So fifth character it has been taken, and other it has been sliced. So 2 to 5. So name of 2 to 5 you can say. So this is called as slice operator. Okay, list we will see later on. But in the Python, there are the different operators. As we have seen the some arithmetic operators, multiplication, addition, divide, modulus. These are the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic. Doing the operations on a number. It is called as arithmetic operator. You can do the addition operation on the string also. Remember this thing. But which kind of output it will give? For example, if I take this name as a mathematics and course equal to language, and if I write in the print if I write name plus course, let us see what it gives. It concatenates. Whenever I write, I will create the third or result. If I write addition of these two strings, and I will print this so that we will understand the result. What it gives? Mathematics language. It has not added any space in between. If I want to add the space, what I have to do? I have to write plus here, and in the double quote give some space. So mathematics language you have to give. So this is called as mathematics language you can give. So for the string also you can use a plus operator, but using the addition of two strings, it concatenates. Remember this thing, concatenation of two strings. So we will see some of the operators like addition you can use. In this chart you can see add value on the either side of the operator. Always whenever you are writing this, whenever you are writing two numbers, so it gives, whenever you use plus, it gives the addition of two variables. But you don't have to use such kind of examples in the programming directly. How you have to use? You have to write a plus b and you have to assign it to the another variable like here this. It has some value, it has some value, and addition of, by using addition of this you have to assign this here. So it starts calculating from the right hand side of the equal to operator. In the right hand side it calculates and it will assign to the left hand side. So remember this thing. So subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent. Exponent is what? Power. You can use power here. In the C programming, this exponent operator is not present there, but here you can use first number and second number. Let us say this is a 2. So what I will do? What I will do? I will print A star star B, but these are not present. First number, second number, star star. I will put comment so that we will understand. 100. It gives output 100. First number star star. So 10 to the power 2 it gives. If I write 10 to the power, instead of this, if I write 4 to the power 2, 16 it gives. So remember one thing, this thing. So it is a exponent operator. Now second thing is relational operator, comparison operator. Comparison operators or relational operators. What are these? They are used to check the numbers. In the if else, it is used widely. So remember this thing. These are the comparison, comparative. Compare two values, whether they are equal, whether they are not equal, whether one is greater than other, or whether is greater than or equal to, less than operator, or less than equal to. So these are value. So it returns the values true or false. Remember this thing, true or false. For example, I have taken the first number 10, second number 2. Let me print one result. Print. What I have to print? First number equal to second number. So if I run this, it gives false, because equal to operator checks whether these two numbers are equal. How to read this? Equal to. It is equals, but this is equal to. So 2 times equal to means whether it checks whether the two numbers are equal or not. If it is true, then it gives true, and it is false, then it directly types the false, FALSE. It is also a Boolean data type. Remember one thing, Boolean value. So if I write here 10 also, 10 again, and if I write here, it gives true. So it has a value true or false. So relational operator will have the value true or false. Remember this thing. So okay. So what we will do? Uh, okay, let us see some of the things. One more thing I want to tell you. If your still there is someone in lobby. Oh, 47. Let me take attendance sometime. Download attendance. Okay. What you can do, if you all will have, or some of you have the computer, then start downloading this links I have given, and we will see and try to install this. If someone will have the problem to running the program, then we will check, because running the program on your computer is very important. Setting the environment, simply type this program only, or instead of this type A, so that you will not do much mistakes. Yes, I am here to help you. uh, if someone will have the problem in the installation or something, try to download this and try to run this. If someone has any problem, then we will share his screen, and others can see that how it has been solved or what will be the problem. So someone please start downloading. It will maximum, I think, 20 to 50 GB, and we will set environment on his computer, and I will share that time, so that other can also understand how to set the environment. So anyone has a computer, or anyone is taking this call from the computer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what you can do, please share your screen. Can you download? Do you have mobile data much to download the links?
Yes, sir. But I have already uh, installed Python environment.
Download,
So
download
should
and install. Okay, okay. And
Python
whether
and
it is working, whether it is working.
I haven't used it since year.
Okay.
So should I uninstall it first?
If it is already installed, no need to uninstall. Someone who has not installed or who has not installed that, then we will see on his computer. Try to type this on your creating a new project and check whether it is running properly or not. It should give output 20 here. Any other candidate who has computer and he has not installed? Purpose of this
Sir, I have
is
not installed.
you can understand. Okay, and do you have okay, what you can do, can you share your screen? We will see on your computer directly. I will make you presenter. What is your good name, please?
Sir, I have not downloaded it actually.
We will download together. Only thing is take these
Okay,
two
sir.
links together. Yes, or
Little bit.
let me make you presenter.
Sweetie Mondol. But sir, wait a few minutes.
Okay,
I have
okay,
to switch on my computer.
okay. Anyone is taking call from there because you could not take the this meeting app should run on there so that you can make yourself presenter.
Hello, sir.
Yes, award.
Uh, yes, sir. I'm just logging in my Teams from laptop. Can you please admit me?
Yes,
I
yes.
have downloaded the both
Okay,
software.
okay. So whether you have taken meeting from there or okay, click
Yes,
on
sir.
the link of meeting. I will add you in the lobby.
Okay, okay.
Now onwards, whenever you are sitting for this Python lecture, you should join from your computer for the meeting so that you should have the computer or laptop with you so that if we have the two hour of lecture, in the first half hour we will see some of the theory, and after that we will do the practice. I will give exercises here. I will give some of the programs here. You should type the program there and you should try to run it. So, so you can think of this lecture as a theory plus practical. Remember this thing. Until and unless you do the practical, you could not understand a single word in the programming. Remember this thing. So whenever you are sitting for the lecture, you should have computer or laptop with you, and you should join from that so that whenever require, you should able to run the program. Okay, what I will do, I will okay. Anyone has you all joined from your mobile
Then I have uninstalled my Python.
uninstalled. Okay,
I can share
so
my window.
yes. Let me make you presenter. There is option. Okay, let me make you presenter. Meeting option. Who can share? Okay. 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 Check whether yes. Please click on the share icon so that you can make yourself presenter. You can share your screen.
But it's not visible. Share option.
Share screen option. Okay. Share screen option is visible. Okay.
Saying that only meeting organizers and presenters can share.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Everyone. Okay. I made everyone. Everyone can share. Right. Now check.
I'm still not able to share screen, sir.
Okay. Tell me your name. I will make you presenter.
Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi. Karade. Okay. Make presenter. Yes. Yes. Now you can. Yes. Now you can share the screen. Now click on the presenter. Yes. Yes, we can see the screen. Everyone can see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Download the community version. Yes, it is of 360 MB. Oh. PyCharm. PyCharm is a IDE or development environment, integrated development environment, or editor we can say. You can type there. It will help you to type the program, or it will help you to make less mistakes. It will directly show the red mark whether there is a problem, or whether it will have the, whenever you type there it will give the intelligence. Intelligence means whenever you type it gives the suggestion. Therefore we are using the PyCharm. If you can directly type program on the notepad also, and that also you can run, but it is very time consuming if you will not have any suggestion to type the program. So therefore we are using the PyCharm. PyCharm is a good uh, community editor or IDE, integrated development environment. Therefore we are using the PyCharm. One more link you have to download, Vaishnavi. The other link also you have to download. Yes, that. And always,
That downloading it simultaneously, like both of them at the same time.
okay, okay. Yes, yes. Then other, that first 26.9 MB. Whenever you are installing this, the first you should install first. So 3.10.2 interpreter, AMD 64.
Okay.
Okay. Not necessary, but if you download or install that first, then it will set the path automatically. Therefore, so we will wait to download both of them, and then we will start installing this uh, Python 3.10.1.
Should I open the first one, this one first?
Yes, 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 yes. Open file, or you can open the folder. Okay, right. Okay, okay. Instead of first option, always check the customize installation. Wait. There is a, yes. You have to click add Python 3.10 to path. Yes. Then customize installation. Yes. Again, click on the next. Yes, add, yes, install for all user. So it will change path automatically, right? And then no need to browse now. Click on the cancel. Click on the cancel. Yes, path is correct now. Click on the install.
So you
Yes.
said not in C, in any other drive.
Installation should be done on the C drive, but whenever you write a program, that program should be, or whenever you create a project, that should be on the other drive rather than C, because to write a program or to write a program on the C drive for many computers, it has some permission issues. Therefore, whenever you write a program, you can do it on the other drive rather than C. But installation should be done on the C drive only. Remember this thing.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. Wait. Click on the disable path limit. Yes. This is the last check. What is this? This is a path limit. If your file will have, or some of the files will have the too much limit, the window has already set some of the setting in your computer, but it requires maximum path of 260 characters. So you need to click on the disable path length limit. Maybe it will ask for administrator also, but it's okay. Always click on the disable path length limit. Okay, you need to click on that. Why it is not going? Click on the close now. It should go.
It is showing that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your
Yes,
device?
yes. In that case, you have to click on S. Click on the disable path is limit and click on S there. Okay. That option we could not see. Okay. Click on close now. Can close here. Now go for that folder. Yes. Click on the open file. Yes. Wait, yes. Click on that and say yes. Yes. Click on next. Yes. Click on next. No need to change any. Yes. Wait here. Click on the bin folder path. See update for. Yes. Click there. Here is one more check below .py. Yes. That check. Okay. Second last check. That also you have to click. Using that, you can right click on the file and you can open it in the NetBrain. That is the option. Okay. Click on the next. Okay. Install. You can click on the below. It is asking whether yes or no. Below that you can icon is running. Second last icon. Yes, click on that. Okay. I want to manually reboot later. No need to reboot now. Yes, finish. Okay. Now you can minimize. Wait, it is doing something. Okay, what is this last icon? Yes. Wait. It is. Click on the cancel. I think it is open 2 times, therefore it is asking. Click on the cancel. Yes. Yes. Click on yes. Okay. Now click on the start button and type PyCharm there. See below there is a PyCharm. Still type you can PyCharm. PYCHA. Yes. Yes, there is app. You can open that. You can run as administrator. Right. Yes. Click on the check and click on the continue. First time it is asking. After that it will not ask. Okay. Always say okay, new project. Click on new project. Yes. The path location. The first line is a location of a project. You can, yes, click on that. Yes, click on that button and select the folder which is on the other drive than C. Yes, D drive. Okay. Oh, there are not in the program files. Whether I think you are using this for someone else. You can create the folder above. Click on the D. Click on the D first. See, yes. Otherwise, it will create folder in the program files. Now click there. Click click on that and give name that Python. Okay. Project. Okay. Okay. Whatever. Programs. Okay. And now select that folder. Okay. Okay. It has taken the base interpreter path also. See, you can after the location you can see. Click on create. No need to set anything. That path is already it has taken properly. Click on create. Okay, close this tip. Yes, it has created one file automatically to run. You can right click or you can click on the run. We will see whether it runs properly or not. Wait, below it is doing some background indexing. You can see on the below line at the end it does something. So wait for it. Okay. Now click on the main. Right click on the main file. See main, yes, main.py. Okay, run main. There is option run main. Yes, high PyCharm. So this means it is running properly. So your environment is set. Whenever you want to create one more file, right click on this Python programs folder. See below Python programs folder is where it is in the solution explorer in the project below. In the above, go to the above, little bit above. Yes, right click on that. Yes, new Python file. Yes, create one more, create one file. Hello, press enter button. You can press enter. Yes, you can type here. Say type here print in bracket something in the double quote. Yes. Hello. Okay. Now, okay. Hello everyone. Okay. Right click on this hello file and then you have to say run hello. Otherwise it will run main. Yes, it is given output. Now you can use that icon also to run. Okay, so everything is set here. So in this way, you all try to install something on your computer and check whether or if there is a problem, then you can use this recording to set the environment. So and try to run 2-3 simple programs of addition. Yes, anyone has any question?
So maybe we can't see the
We can.
recording later.
Okay, I will share the recording. I will share the
Okay.
recording.
sir.
Yes. Okay. So we will stop for a day and please try to install this. Until and unless, remember one thing, until and unless you practice the programs, you could not understand anything. Okay. Shall we stop now meeting? I will end the meeting now. Okay. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.